Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something incredibly exciting to talk about, the Microsoft Surface Studio 2. If you're a creative professional or simply someone who appreciates high-performance technology, you're in the right place. Today, I will look into Studio 2 in detail. Let's dive right in. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this laptop from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First things first, let's talk about the stunning display this beast boasts. The Microsoft Surface Studio 2 features a massive 28-inch screen offering a jaw-dropping resolution of 4,500 by 3,000 pixels. That means you get unparalleled clarity and detail in every image and video you work on. Under the hood, this powerhouse is equipped with an Intel Core i7-3960X processor clocking in at 1.3 GHz, paired with either 16 or 32 GB of RAM. You can say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or running resource-intensive applications, this machine can handle it all. When it comes to storage, you have the choice of a lightning-fast SSD with either 512 GB or 1 TB capacity. This means not only quick boot times but also ample space for all your projects, media files, and software installations. Now let's talk graphics. The Surface Studio 2 is armed with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 or 1070 graphics card, ensuring smooth rendering and excellent performance, especially in graphic-intensive tasks. The dedicated graphics power is a game-changer for artists, designers, and gamers alike. In terms of connectivity, you're not going to be disappointed. It supports the latest wireless standard 802, ensuring high-speed internet access. Plus, with multiple USB ports and other connectivity options, you can easily connect all your peripherals without a hassle. And for all you content creators out there, the Surface Studio 2 comes with a 5-megapixel rear webcam, perfect for high-quality video conferencing and capturing moments on the go. Running on Windows 10 Pro, you have access to a robust operating system that's user-friendly and packed with features. So there you have it, folks, the Microsoft Surface Studio 2. A true marvel of technology designed for creativity and productivity. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or just someone who appreciates top-tier tech, this device has something for everyone. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, stay creative and keep exploring the possibilities of technology. See you soon.